To connect Samsung Galaxy A57 5G with car, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter connected devices, and then you can find Android Auto right here. Now if you click on it, it may transfer you to Google Play Store, where you will need to update the app to the newest version. So make sure that you have Google account signed into your phone and also that you have internet connection. After the Android Auto update is installed, you can go back to the settings page and click on Android Auto again, which now should open a option to connect to a vehicle. So let's click on that as well. And then you'll have two different ways to connect it with your car, either by a cable or wireless version. For cable, you will need to get a cable that allows you to connect both your phone and your car. Try to plug it in together, and then if you can proceed, you will see an option to move to the next step of connecting. In case that this doesn't work and you have a vehicle that is available on some 2021 or newer version, and you know how to enter pairing mode on your vehicle computer, you can click on it and then connect your car using a Bluetooth. So click right here, select the pair vehicle. If it's in pairing mode, you will see it on the list, and then you can select it to connect with your car. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.